channel Learn with Mehani Janaya. Today we are going to learn genders.
What is gender?
He words and she words.
ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತು?
Man, woman, boy, girl, husband, wife, son, daughter, father, mother, uncle, aunt, king, queen, actor, actress, grandfather, grandmother, nephew, niece, prince, princess.
ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಮೇಲು ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕೀಗ. ಡಾಗ್,
Dog, bitch,
ಕ್ಯಾಟ್,
dog, wheel,
ಲಯನ್,
lion, lioness,
ಟೈಗರ್,
tiger, tigress,
ಕೌ,
bull, cow,
ಪೀಕಾಕ್,
peacock, peahen,
ಹಾರ್ಸ್,
stallion, mare,
ಡೀರ್,
buck, doe,
ಗೋಟ್,
billy, nanny,
ಚಿಕನ್,
cock, hen,
ಪಿಗ್,
boar, sow,
ಡಕ್,
drake, duck,
ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್,
bull, cow,
ಮಂಕಿ,
male, female,
ಸ್ವಾನ್,
cob, pen,
ಬೇರ್,
boar, sow,
ಕ್ಯಾಂಗರು.
boomer, Sayara, Jill. Thank you for watching.